Hello, we are Team dETHLock. We are a premier dApp development team focusing on simplicity. dETHLock is a simple DeFi brick that adds time-released ownership anywhere in the DeFi transaction stack. In dETHLock, a will owner can deposit raw Ethereum or a token ownership into the will structure. Owners can continue to deposit or withdraw from the will at any time. After a deadline, a beneficiary address can also withdraw. So here we have the scaffold sketch of our front end. On the left is our deployment address standing by with the will creation page. On the right, we have the second address watching our will management page, which runs on top of the graph. We begin by creating a will by copying our intended beneficiary address. Then we choose to deposit 1 Ethereum into our new will. We could also deposit any number of tokens from the list of our usual suspects. We've also deployed stooge tokens for use in local testing. We'll choose to deposit 0 Larry coin into this will. We can select our will's deadline from this handy pop-up calendar. Or, for handy testing purposes, we've created this now plus 1 minute button. When we press the create button, the will is initialized and caught by the graph management screen listed under all wills. We will switch the owner over to the manage screen and the other address over to the create tab. Now we will create a second will with the address roles reversed. We'll set the deadline out a bit further and deposit some curly coin this time, along with another F. We've an all wills refresh issue to tidy up, but with some poking, everything does display correctly. Next, we'll test the owner update function, which should always work. Here we shorten the deadline to something a bit more lively. Our first will's minute is up, so now we can claim funds from it. We observe our beneficiary funds increase by the 1 ETH and the claimed will balance drops to 0. Wills are immutable, so the structure remains inactive or active forever for further management. We still have a front-end update issue on the left management screen, but a bit of poking resolves it. Our owner withdrawal function does in fact work, but our graph refresh needs some work. Our scaffold React front end is still notional. For example, here we have the proxy interface showing the textbook design patterns ownable, pausable, and something I call accountable, meaning it tracks loose ether sent to its address as tips and makes it available as salary to the owner. Future work obviously includes finishing the front end, unit testing, and deployment up the chain towards the main net. Team Locked would like to thank you for your time and consideration. We look forward to seeing you all around the developer community.